Once the CM55 is powered on, the launcher presents four main functions: Whiteboard, Screen Share, Browser, and Funder. In the top right corner, you will find Wi-Fi status indicator and a settings icon for accessing system settings. Additionally, the interface includes left and right sidebars. These sidebars provide quick access to functions such as Retard, Home, Recent Text, and Notation. Tool, App, and Menu. The bottom right corner features an icon to switch between different signal sources. And here is a folding button. The CM55 takes collaboration to a whole new level with its interactive whiteboard features. The CM55 is designed to revolutionize collaboration with its interactive whiteboard features. Thanks to its advanced PCAP touch technology, using the CM55 feels as natural as working on your phone or tablet. Plus, the paper-like screen surface makes writing feels just like using a pen on a real paper. The MPP pen adds even more convenience. It comes with a built-in eraser. Just flip the pen over and quickly make a correction, and keep writing. You can select the eraser tool from the toolbar to erase manually. Switching between tools is easy, whether it's the pen, razor, or the other features. With just one tap, you can clear all the content on the page. Need to tweak something? Use the Select tool to choose handwritten text or image. You can drag, copy, or even flip them effortlessly. We're no limit to simple note-taking either. You can insert image, add shape, 3D graphics, and even emoji to bring your ideas to life. The whiteboard offers an infinite canvas, giving you the freedom to work wherever inspiration takes you. Navigate seamlessly across different areas with the roaming icon. The Touch S Blend icon is a handy feature for those moments when you can't find your MPP pen. Simply activate this option, and your finger can instantly replace the pen, allowing you to write on the whiteboard just as easy. If you need a fresh start, tap the plug button and add a new page. Switching between pages is quick and intuitive, using the right and left buttons. The CM55 also lets you click whiteboard theme, customize the background color, or create a completely unique background that suits your style. When you're ready to save your work, you've got options. Save as whiteboard file, PDF, or JPG. Store the file on the devices, the USB flash drive, or make it even easier for your team. Just share a file via a QR code. Participants can scan and download the file directly to their devices, as long as they are connected to the machine's hotspot. From brainstorming to project planning, the CM55 transforms teamwork into a smooth, efficient, and truly engaging experience. Now, let's talk about the connectivity, because CM55 is built to work with the devices you already use.